So we've got another video today, and we're going to be starting on servicing that Metamec in the back because it's been requested and I think it might make a quite good video. So just want to finalise this as well. We got this pretty much working exactly how it should. Let's hear the alarm. I don't know if we heard it last time, but I'm just going to let you hear it anyway. It's already wound up. So it's very loud. Definitely wake you up unless you're deaf. So there we go. We got that pretty much sorted. So I'll just move this out of the way. And now we can bring this to our attention. Just get the cable, I don't know where it's gone, it's under the table somewhere. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the movement ready and cut back to you when it's ready. Just quickly notice that the strain reliever on that plug is not doing anything, so I'm just going to sort that out as well. So after that, we got the movement out. Annoyingly, the bezel was held in with those twisty tabs, which are never nice. But here we've got the movement out of the case. I think it's like some sort of white Bakelite type plastic, and it's got a cardboard front on it. So I'm just going to undo these three screws. Tell you what, I'll use this. I have actually served this movement before, but the problem is I don't think I put it back together properly. So that's what I'm going to find out. I think this will probably just be a one-part series. There we go. Yeah, it's like some sort of cardboard kind of pressed thing. Bit of leathery texture on the inside. And here we got the alarm buzzer and the trigger for it. Like, you can turn it on off. That blocks it. We've got the coil at the bottom. And you'll probably notice this movement's made out of plastic, and it is pretty much exactly like 100% plastic. Which is something I've never seen before in a movement. Especially one of this age. I think this is 50s. Might be 60s actually. There we go. Inside we've got some connectors we need to worry about. So I'll just undo them. Like that. And here we got the plastic movement. Not a very nice thing, but it works. Well, this one, it actually doesn't work. And I need to figure out why that is. I think it's because of this little lever here, which you can use to make it tick. Which is not a particularly useful thing to have. But it's an option. I'll need to put some glue on there because that snapped on that plastic. But I think, yeah, okay, I did that wrong. Right, I think the solution here is just to flip that little grey thing around. I'll zoom you in. It's on there. To stop it turning in the wrong direction, you've got a little grey piece of plastic, and I'll just get that out. And this is the way it is at the moment, but it's supposed to be this way around, I think. So I'll fit that now. I think this is correct. I think. Maybe I'm wrong actually. Okay, I think that's actually not correct. But it doesn't work if it's this way around. Maybe it's something else. Maybe it's just down to that tick thing. Because this is how it's supposed to be. Yeah, that bit of metal makes a ticking noise when it rubs up against there, because that is turned by the rotor. You can see it bends back, like there, and then once it's bent back, it clicks every few times it turns around. So I need to figure out if that is the reason that this isn't working properly. And I think that split in the plastic there, which makes it too loose and allows it to turn around, might mean it's turning around and jamming into something. So I'll mix up probably what I had the last of that glue, and hopefully I can solve it. So I'm just mixing up that glue, and I'll put a bit of it on there. And I think this will be a two-part series because it will need overnight to dry. Okay, I think I've got that. So if I let this to dry overnight, hopefully it'll be rigid enough not to swivel around, and that might have solved our problem. So I'll probably leave this video here, and I'll just tell you that something is going to arrive soon, start a new series on it. But until then, this will be drying, and there'll be more videos about this. Maybe one more video. Hopefully either saying it's working, and that's good, or it's not working, then I need to put more videos out until it works.